Hey guys, it's Keto Granny, and I'm having my dinner, a spinach smoothie today. And this spinach smoothie is very nutritious. As you can hear, we got the game going on in the background. We got Seattle. Who are we playing, honey? San Francisco. Seattle is playing San Francisco. So I'm having my dinner, and what I'm having is I'm having a spinach smoothie. And I'm having this spinach smoothie just to offset some of the eating that I did. I didn't do a lot of extra eating, but I did gain a couple of pounds. So when that happens, I do revert to having smoothies for the day. At least 2 to 3 smoothies for the day, and this smoothie is made of cucumber. I have my almond milk, I have strawberries, spinach, and turmeric. So it's a very healthy drink, and it's something that you can really enjoy, and it really tastes good. I put a squirt of stevia in here also. And also I put about a tablespoon of MCT oil. Sometimes when I've had something to eat that I shouldn't have, I will have MCT oil with my evening meal. You can have just a little bit of MCT oil with your dinner. Sometimes I put MCT oil on my salad. It's very good to use in that way, and I like to add it in my smoothies also. So I hope that you're having something nutritious for dinner. And I'm going to not make this a long video because we're watching the game. Seattle, San Francisco. They're kind of getting us right now, but we're going to come back. Yes, we are. We're going to come back. But this is my dinner. Hope you're having something nutritious. And sometimes it's very good to have just smoothies. Smoothies are nutritious, and it's an excellent way to get your vegetables in. Alright. So because a lot of people have asked me how to use MCT oil, I made this video also to explain how MCT oil can be used as a hack. This is the MCT oil that I use, and it's 14 grams per serving of fat, and it's 130 calories. Make sure you get a good grade of MCT oil. I was using MCT oil that had palm oil in it, which isn't the best to use. So make sure that you get MCT oil, that's pure MCT oil, pure medium chain triglycerides. And MCT oil, coconut oil is also a derivative, the same as MCT oil. It's a medium chain triglyceride. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below, and also hit that red subscribe button, and that way you won't miss any future videos that I release. I release videos periodically where I talk about the ketogenic diet, using intermittent fasting, exercise, and walking as tools to be successful on the diet and to lose weight. To date, I have lost 110 pounds that I have been able to keep off. This diet is a very good diet. It is a diet that I have been able to get healthier on, and it's a diet that you can also use to get healthier on. I share my weight loss journey because I want others to see firsthand how the diet works, how the transformation takes place. This is something that I'm sharing about myself. So please hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any videos that I release. And please check around on my channel, and you'll see a lot of videos. These videos have been made as I have progressed along my journey from 330 pounds to my present weight. So please just hit that subscribe button below, follow Keto Granny, and let's take this journey together. Stay blessed.